What's going on, guys? In this video, I'll be showing you everything there is to know about the About page in Plain Jane. We're going to set up an About page and we're going to go from a blank page that looks like this to something that looks more like this. More styled, some images floating around here. Yeah. So, if you're new here, you're going to want to make sure you have the Plain Jane Shopify theme. You can get it by going to our store here at shop.openspaces.design and picking either Plain Jane or Plain Jane Interactive, and you'll be able to follow along. So let's jump straight into it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. All right, guys. So first thing, you're going to want to go to your left-hand side and go to Online Store, click on Pages. It'll bring you to this screen here. And we're going to want to create our About page first. So we're going to hit this top right button here. It says Add Page. And then we're going to call this About. And then make sure you set it to visible right here. And then you want to make sure you choose the template. You want to choose the About template. Don't choose anything else, only this one. And then hit Save. Cool. Now we're going to want to go to, let's add to the store navigation so we can get to it pretty easy. I think we could add it to this test menu one here. Say About. Pages, About. I'm going to link it. Or actually, I'm gonna rename this to Our Story. Like that vibe a little bit better. All right, so after you do that, you wanna go to Online Store here. And then we're gonna go to the customizer. From here, you wanna hit this drop down at the very top, go to your pages, and then you wanna click About, where it says assign to one page. And click that, and you're gonna have this blank screen here. So if you look here next to, like, if you look on the left hand side, you can see our different sections. If you watch the previous videos and this little tutorial series we're doing, you would know you can add all kinds of things here. So for an About page, I would usually just use like a text block, right? So if you add that in, you can now look to the right hand side and change the content here. You can change the subtitle. See this text block subtitle? You might want to put Our Story. And this here, let me just get some lorem ipsum text really fast. Let's see. Lorem ipsum is that default text you'll see online. It's like that French looking stuff. We usually use this for just test like text and copy when building sites. So let's put something like that. And actually I want to make this a little bit shorter. Let's get rid of this last line here. If you look here, and then you can, subtitle alignment, you can center it if you want. Put it over here. But let's have this whole thing centered. And then you can change the font to whatever you want. Let's do a let's just do this gluten one. That looks pretty cool. You could also do a custom font if you want. I'll cover this in a completely different video if you want to learn how to do custom fonts. But it works the same as it would in the other video. I'll maybe leave a link to it in the description below. So this right here, this is the font for our main text here. Let's actually match this like gluten. And let me do something else. Let's do Anonymous Pro. That's kind of what we had before. Courier New. Yeah, I'm gonna run with this. And then now let's make the size of our text smaller. Yeah, that looks really clean. And you can change the colors here. My favorite part is this text animation. Right now it's a no animation, but let's do, I always like a typewriter. I'll show you guys each one here. Hit save. You can do this typewriter style kind of animation, or you can do a fade up. Hit save. See, I just fade it in. That's nice. And then we have the reveal. That's pretty cool too. But I always like a good typewriter. We'll be adding more like animations and styles and stuff like that over time to the themes through updates. But for now, these are the main three you have. And then there's some spacing things here. So, but let's add an image stream. It's one of my favorite things to add. So do an image stream here. And if we click on the image stream, you have more options here for that on the right. So see this shop thing here, you can leave that, or if you can get rid of it if you want, if you don't want to, a link to the shop, but I think it looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna just leave it there. This, I'm gonna, maybe I won't even put a title there, just put the shop link. And we'll have this go to all products. You could change the layout and display here, and even the scroll speed right here. Yep, and this is more typography sizing things and stuff like that. So I'm just hit save for now. There we go. You have a clean about page. It's actually view on the actual main website now. Let's go say view. This, our story. And now if something like this. And all these images, of course, you can replace with your own images, or do something else. You can build whatever you want for this page with the tools we give you, the blocks that we give you guys. So I mean, that would include another collection display, another dynamic background. If you want to put a video, a product carousel, another hero. So I mean, an FAQ, you can put whatever here and build out your about page to kind of look however you want. So that's about it, guys, for this one. Hopefully that helped you guys out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or reach out to us via live chat. If you go to openspaces.design, if you come on our website here and look at the top right and hit live support, you'll see a little window pop up, and you can message the team here. Oh, it's not loading right now. There you go. You can message the team here anytime, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Someone will be there to help you out. So that's about it for this one, guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back very soon with another tutorial. Peace.